Hello, and welcome to myTRIAList. Today, we'd like to provide an overview of the Phase 1b/2 NCT06885034 clinical trial. This study will check how well a new medicine, GSK 5764227, works in people with advanced gastrointestinal cancers that cannot be surgically removed.
Could you explain what we mean by advanced gastrointestinal cancers?
Gastrointestinal cancers affect the digestive system, including organs like the pancreas, esophagus, and colon, and other parts of the digestive tract. The term advanced typically refers to cancer that has either grown large in its original location, spread to nearby tissues, or has metastasized, meaning it has traveled to other parts of the body.
Hi, my name is Dr. Ritika Mehta, and I'm a gastrointestinal medical oncologist. I'm an associate professor at the Weill Cornell Medicine New York Presbyterian Hospital in New York City. I am an expert in treating gastrointestinal cancers with particular focus in offering cutting-edge clinical trials to our patients. So this is a phase 1b/2 randomized study that is being conducted at multiple centers trying to assess the safety of an antibody drug conjugate as well as the efficacy in gastrointestinal malignancies, starting with colorectal cancers.
What is the medicine being studied in this trial?
The medicine being tested in this study, GSK 5764227, is an antibody drug conjugate, or ADC for short. That means that an antibody and medicine are linked together. The antibody part seeks out and connects specifically to cancer cells that have certain markers on their surface. Once attached, the ADC delivers the medicine directly into the cancer cell, where it works to destroy the cancer cell from within. Think of the antibody as a delivery truck that only delivers packages, the drug, to specific addresses, in this case, cancer cells.
What is the goal of NCT06885034?
The primary goal is to evaluate whether this investigational treatment can provide meaningful benefits for patients whose cancer has progressed despite previous therapies. This research is significant as it targets a patient group with limited treatment options.
How is this study set up?
This is a randomized, open-label study, meaning that participants will be randomly assigned to one of two groups. Both groups will receive GSK 5764227. One group will receive a higher dose, and the other group a lower dose.
Who can take part in this study?
To join, a participant must have a confirmed, unresectable, locally advanced or metastatic adenocarcinoma of the pancreas. You must also be at least 18 years old to participate. There are additional eligibility criteria to participate. For a complete list of eligibility criteria, please visit the NCT06885034 study page on myTRIAList or clinicaltrials.gov and search for the trial using the ID NCT06885034, and please discuss with your physician.
If you're hesitant about clinical trials, all that I can say is the drugs that are being used today are because they were tested in clinical trials at some point in time, and there were gracious patients that decided to volunteer for these clinical trials. So hadn't it been for patients such as yourself, we wouldn't have had some cutting edge technologies and cutting edge treatments that is definitely saving a lot more lives today than we did decades ago.
We hope this video helped you learn more about the NCT 06885034 study. Check out the NCT 06885034 study page on myTRIAList, where you can find the study contact in case you have questions or want to find out if you qualify for the study. Visit the myTRIAList trial finder at myTRIAList.org to find the right study for you.